Includes, this Anchor Hocking set comes with red replacement lids to cover 4-cup SnugFit storage containers. Plastic is BPA-free. Usage, Bento-box style meal prep containers are the perfect way to plan your week. Glass stacks, reheats, and washes clean in the dishwasher. These SnugFit lids seal to protect flavors in the fridge and freezer. Store and reheat, fridge, freezer, and microwave, 3 needs, 1 lid. Save time moving foods, cleaning, and organizing with lids you can trust. Reusable value option, the SnugFit line is about getting you the best without breaking the bank. We made sure these lids are affordable to replace so your storage containers can last a lifetime. 5-year warranty, we'll replace any cracked or broken glass meal prep containers used according to instructions. Not sure about something? We're here for you. Send us any questions so we can help you make the most of your kitchen. Made in USA, we began in Ohio in 1905 with the aim of maximizing your home's potential. Today our goal and location are the same. That's right. 115 years later, our glass food storage containers are still proudly made in America. Since Anchor Hocking began in 1905, we've had a focus on 2 things, reliability and innovation. Whether your lid was broken in a kitchen mishap or mysteriously vanished to the land of the lost, we've got you covered. Replace your lids for your favorite Anchor Hocking dishes without having to replace the entire set. Top reviews from the United States. The cost makes a person want to just buy a new set. I love the seal. When the old ones cracked and split apart, I used plastic wrap for a couple of years, but I miss the nice tight seal of the lids. However, when I began searching for replacement lids, I hesitated at the price. It was like buying a new set. But, if I bought a new set, I would be overstocked with glass storage bowls, and throwing the old ones away would be a waste. Also, I had been extra careful with the old ones, never putting them in the dishwasher, not even on the top rack, nor did I ever put them in the microwave, and yet they cracked after a while. I am treating my new lids as carefully as I did my old ones and holding my breath to see how much use I get from these.